Hey guys, and next things we're gonna plant here in the homestead today is onions. Yes, we grabbed them off the shelf at Tractor Supply. These are some yellow stutter onions, okay? And we're gonna reuse the flowers bed that we have. We did some research and we find out that they go well with potatoes. They help deter insect and other types of disease and bacteria and stuff like that. So we went and we designed our potato bed. If you could shoot it like this, we put the potato bed on the rise, and then we're gonna put the onion in the row to fill the spot. And the reason why is that it doesn't need a lot of space. It just needs to be 1 to 2 inches below ground, and then it just needs to be spacing 3 inches apart. So we're supposed to be able to sow all of these onions in these 3 rows, and not only will we be maximizing our square footage, it will be aesthetically pleasing to have the potato and the 3-row onion. And because we're not in a little bag of chit chat, no unnecessary information, we are gonna go right ahead and create the hole needed for the garden, so for the onions. So I'm gonna use a small point of my tool here. Just nice loose dirt. Nice just one straight line. One straight line. Okay, one straight line. One straight line. See there? Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna come the other way. If you could. And then down there.
So it's gonna be 3 rows of onions.
I don't know if you can zoom in right here, sir. So rich. And these fat juicy worms, I'll be feeding them to the chicken. Anywhere I find some, I save them up and give the chicken. But anyways. Okay, and I promise you, that was the hard part. Now, we're gonna open up this platinum performance here and plant our yellow strutter stragarters. What did I say? As simple as 1, 2, 3. As simple as 1, 2, 3. As the world is pre-packaged. I hate to go off on a ramble, but the other day I was drawing a house in CAD, and it was all there. You just have to fit it together. Your house is at Lowe's. All you have to do is put it together. This homestead, it's at Lowe's. Just put it together. Okay. So here we go. Here we go. And I'm gonna kind of anchor them so they stay face up. Remember, keep the eye up. And they just need to be 3 inches apart. To tell you the truth, we probably not even have enough for the 3 rows. Because they can go so close.
Yeah, I actually thought you was going to do it only in the middle.
If anything, we're going to get a next bag. A harvest is a harvest.
Oh yeah, we can never get enough onions. We use a lot.
Everything we do. Onions. Man. This is as excited as trading stocks, I promise you. So that soft dirt I can create my little by hand. That's a onion type of onion there, it's I write down and measure them, compare the prices to Walmart when it's harvest time. So when harvest time come, we're gonna tally up everything. Total pound, total everything. See how much we save, how much we made. Right, Prince? No. Oh, more worm for the chicken. This is the rhythm of the night. The night. This is the...
My husband don't be needing the radio. He be the live radio.
Hey, y'all, you see? You don't want to respect, though.
But you can sing now.
I'm out here making my work lighter. You could talking about I'm your radio. God help her. Is that the ox them? Like, wait, the humans are there. We attack at dawn. More juicy worms for the chicken. No! Okay, so we've covered our bed And all left for us to do is wait until the vegetation starts to show. We'll cover it with straw for weed protection. And we plan to get our straw from the surrounding neighborhood, or the surrounding woods and the tree. We're trying to mulch the entire garden to stop the grass from growing back. It's gonna be a small project. I won't be showing it on the channel, but eventually all in here will just be one big bed of straw with open spaces like these for the ground. But yeah, pick your variety of onion and get your bed together. And remember, you can dual purpose the potato bed for onions. They work great. They're actually compatible or companion. And dig your soil 6 inches deep, 3 inches apart, and you sow your onion. Check us back in 4 to 6 weeks for our update. And these both potatoes and onions supposed to take 3 to 4 months to grow. So March, April, May, June, July. So late July, August, we'll be seeing harvest. Thanks for watching. And remember, on Magnificent Farms, we're cocky about our product. You know, always.
He came up with that all himself.
My wife don't like the slogan, but we love it. Yes, our first bed. Feels good, feels good. Okay, watch, like, subscribe. Boom, I'm out. Printing that out.
I didn't know you